Today we're going to bring a rotating keyboard. Now this is a perfect keyboard. If you don't have a place to set up your keyboard, we're going to set this up. I'm actually working on this desk and I keep my keyboard under my desk because I don't have anywhere to put the keyboard. Cluttered with a bunch of other stuff in here, cables, lighting, and so forth. So this came in handy today and we're going to set it up. Everything's including instructions. And the Allen wrench, how to set this up. So let's go ahead and set it up and see how it works. This is my studio setup. I have my lights and everything else. I have this beautiful desk here and I have my keyboard underneath my desk, believe it or not. And that's how I keep my keyboard if I ever want to type. I don't have enough space in here, too much wiring and clutter. So this came in perfect timing. We're going to set it up today. Step one, make sure you tie this up first. Make sure that it's rotating properly. This is the tray that's going to be coming out for your mouse. Make sure it's in the right connection because this has to be facing down. So we're going to go ahead and tie them up. They give you the Allen wrench and all the screws. And pretty much this is the only thing you're going to have to really tie it up. So all right, next step is make sure you rotate this, all right? You need to rotate it so it can elevate. You see how I'm doing? This is going to be the elevator to lock in place the desk, all right? So make sure you properly spin it. And they give you the big, large Allen wrench, which is this one right here, if you guys can see it. So we're going to go ahead and lock it in place. All right, last piece is to make sure you put this in place. I have a setup, so we're going to set it up right now. And check this out, guys. Add things in here, batteries, anything you want, storage. You got the storage space. Let's go ahead and set it up. All right, so when you guys see the actual system itself, look at this. I got plenty of space now to move my keyboard, mouse anywhere. I could adjust it, and right now this is how I'm going to be working now from now on, and working on my computer. I could just spin this inside if I don't need it. The only thing, the obstacle is going to be this part right here, but overall it's just one center piece. You can adjust it, you can move it anywhere you want, and I like this part. So we're going to show you another way you can actually use it for stand-up desks. This is another way for stand-up desks, if you guys can see that. It's perfectly elevated. You could raise it up to your eye level. You could twist it back if you want. Twist it back, twist it forward. Very simple. I like this concept because I do have a stand-up desk, if you guys can see that. Mouse and keyboard. You could be editing, working on your computer from here. Adjustable, flexible. What I like about this, I always put my tools here to adjust them in the actual tray. So not just battery and other objects, but the actual tools so you can adjust your stand. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.